Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. Today is gonna be a really brand new fantastic strategy which is gonna make you a lot of money in the long run. Okay, just stick till the end of this video so you can understand all the steps which I'm gonna tell you and you can understand all the things which I'm gonna make you. Okay, just pay close attention, watch every second of this video because this is going to be really a best strategy video. Okay, so now let's jump into the content. So the first thing which we are gonna do in the strategy is create a TikTok ID. Okay, most of the people, you may know that TikTok is one of the very famous and popular app, and it has almost 800 million of active users every single month, and due to this TikTok becomes a very good traffic source. Okay, so we are gonna create a niche TikTok ID, and most of the people of you who have used TikTok or know about TikTok, you just know that in TikTok you can integrate your Instagram account as well as your YouTube account. Okay, so once you create a niche TikTok ID, you can attach your Instagram account as well as your YouTube account to that TikTok ID and you can start driving traffic. Okay, so all you need to do is create an Instagram page over here. Okay, so let me show you what type of Instagram page you can create. For this example, I'm gonna show you in the health and fitness niche. Okay, so what I'm gonna tell you is that create a fitness channel just like this. Okay, so this is for example a fitness channel. Now in this fitness channel, all you need to do is write out all this stuff which is the bio stuff. Okay, and just upload this type of images. Okay, don't worry, you can re-upload images just which you have downloaded from Instagram. Okay, and to download images from Instagram, you can just use this tool which is known as gramsave.com. Okay, if you want to download images from Instagram, all you need to do is just go to Instagram. If I want this image, I may click on this image, just copy the link of this image, Control A, Control C, and then go to over here on this tool and just paste that image, and you can download that to your computer and you can upload that to your own Instagram page. Okay, so that's what you have to do. Just replicate the stuff what this particular page is doing over here. By mistake, this has been loaded over here. Okay, so this is how you are gonna do. Okay, let me open the Instagram again. So this is how you are gonna grow your Instagram pages. Let's I open a random fitness page. Okay, exercise tutorial. This was the fitness page which I was talking about, and you can see that that's what we are gonna do. Okay, you can just get that images from other Instagram pages and just upload to your page. Okay, and what you have to do is you have to write this bio and stuff and provide an affiliate link to a particular product which you are promoting on your Instagram page. Okay, so you have to provide an affiliate link over here. Now how we will be driving traffic utilizing TikTok. Okay, so this is done. Once the thing is done over here and all is ready, your Instagram is ready, just have almost 10 to 20 posts on your page. Okay, so that your page looks a bit professional. Just make some content, just get the content from other pages and upload it to your Instagram page. Okay, and that's really very important. So your Instagram page is ready. Okay, now you have to go to this website which is known as pexels.com. Okay, now you can download all this exercise and stuff videos from this website. Okay, now see, all these videos are available. See, this one, and you know that most of these videos are almost 1 minute long. Okay, not longer than 1 minute. And TikTok is a platform in which you can upload videos which are just 1 minute. Okay, so you can download multiple 1 minute videos and create a fitness ID on TikTok. That's really very important. And most of the people know that TikTok is really a great platform because you get views as well as followers very quickly on TikTok. So you need to grow this. You need to upload this videos on TikTok. Okay, just download most of these videos. All these videos are available absolutely for free on this page, and you can download all these videos. And what you have to do is then go to TikTok. Go to tiktok.com and you have to create an ID and start uploading. Okay, this is just mistake. tiktok.com. Okay. So here's the TikTok ID. Now all you need to do is go to TikTok and just install the app, okay, in your smartphone, and then you can log in over here, and you can also upload videos with this, okay, with the TikTok website. But I don't think that it offers all those facilities. So just you have to upload your videos from the application. Okay, it's available for iPhone as well as Android phones, so you can download this application on your smartphone. Okay, now once you have downloaded those application, all you need to do is just download videos from this website, which is pexels.com, and start uploading this exercise videos on your TikTok account, and use relevant hashtags such as exercise fitness and all those hashtags, so that you get more views on your TikTok account. And as you get more and more views on your TikTok account is linked with your Instagram account, and due to this, more and more people will visit to your Instagram account. As more people come to your Instagram account, you will gain more and more followers, and then after you gain more followers, you can start promoting your affiliate products, and you are gonna get a lot of traffic. Because let's understand this stuff, and let me tell you that from the niche TikTok ID, you just think that you have uploaded 10 videos. Okay, your 10 videos of yours got 200 views. Okay, for example, you uploaded 10 videos on TikTok and you got 200 views. Out of those 200 people, 20 people went to your Instagram page, okay, and followed your Instagram page. Okay, and out of those 20 people, there were 2 to 3 people who clicked on your affiliate link and checked out the product, okay, whichever product you are promoting, and you got 1 or 2 sales, okay, and you got a commission. And that's how affiliate marketing works, and that's how you are gonna make money. Now you can replicate this process in any of the niche. It may be law of attraction niche, it may be health and fitness niche, or it may be any other niche. Okay, whichever niche you like, you can just do this stuff. I am taking the example of health and fitness niche because health and fitness niche is really something which is on very much high, and you get easy conversions in this niche, but you have to put some effort. And you can also link your YouTube channel with your TikTok ID and drive traffic to your YouTube channel also. So same can be applied on the YouTube as well as on Instagram. It's your choice, whichever platform you want to use. I highly recommend YouTube because YouTube can be most converting. Okay, it can be more converting as compared to Instagram, but it's easy to upload content on Instagram. For YouTube, you need to make some effort, put in some videos, download the videos from Pexels, then edit those videos, and after that you have to upload those to YouTube, then add title, tags, description, and all that stuff. So it takes a bit effort, but YouTube is more rewarding. But in the short term, you can just redirect your TikTok audience to your Instagram page. And most of the people know that in TikTok, most of the videos on TikTok get the very good traffic very fast, because TikTok is such a place which drives traffic very fast, and most of the your videos may get almost 10 to 50 views in just an hour. Okay, so that's really awesome, and that's why this proves to be a really powerful platform to drive traffic to your Instagram as well as YouTube. And then you can do affiliate marketing with Instagram or YouTube, whatever is your choice. Okay, so this is how you are gonna start your journey and you are gonna drive traffic. And the best thing about this strategy and this method is that it's all about free traffic. You don't have to spend a single penny just applying this strategy and this method if you want to. But the thing is that you have to take action, and yeah, it may take 1 or 2 weeks to start making some sales, okay, but it's definitely worth it. And in the long run, you are gonna grow your Instagram page, your YouTube channel, as well as your TikTok ID. And due to this, you are gonna get a lot of audience on from all these 3 platforms, and they are gonna be your best audience, and you can promote a loads and loads of affiliate product to your audience because you have a wider reach. You have got some more and more audience from all the 3 platforms, and that's the reason there is a correspondence among the audiences created as you are driving traffic from all the 3 platforms, and due to which you can become a big brand. You can also drive millions and millions of traffic just by this strategy, okay. And then what will happen is that all this traffic will get interlinked, and all these accounts of yours will grow really very fast. And this is really how this method works. If you just pay close attention and work on this strategy, take action on this strategy, in just 2 to 3 months you could be making almost $4,000 to $5,000 every single month, okay, from this method. Doing affiliate marketing, just utilizing this simple strategy, can grow all your accounts really very fast and can get you a ton of traffic really fast to your YouTube channel, your Instagram. And the more traffic you get, the more money you make with affiliate marketing. And this is how you can do all this stuff, okay. So if you are really interested in making $4,000 to $5,000 every single month on autopilot, then this is one of the best strategy, absolutely for free, without spending a single penny, because all the money you are earning is pure profit. There is no loss in this strategy, and this is something which is really awesome. And this is something which I really found out myself, because I have tried this strategy and it has worked very good, okay. And you can also apply this strategy, just replicate whatever I have told you in this video, and you can understand what happens. And this is how you can grow all your Instagram pages, your YouTube accounts, and this is going to be really awesome, okay. So if you like this strategy, just press the like button on under this video, as well as the subscribe button. As well as I may show you one more traffic source which I just forgot, that you could go to YouTube, okay, and you can also search for fitness, okay, fitness videos. Just search for fitness on YouTube and just filter and just click on Creative Commons, and you can find all these videos, okay. All you need to do is download these videos and just cut them into 1-minute files, okay. And you can also upload those videos to your TikTok account. You don't need to be making any TikTok videos by yourself. You can just download all these Creative Commons videos from over here, cut them into 1-minute videos, and just start uploading to your TikTok ID, and that's how it's gonna work. And you can also download videos from Pexels, okay. So all this is available to you, all the content, a lot of content is available. All you need to do is just stay consistent, and you can start making money with this awesome new strategy, which I don't think any YouTuber has still made a video on, but I have made this video so you can understand. Now make this video. The thing about this video is that you have to share this video so that most people can take advantage of this strategy, because I don't think any of the YouTuber has made this video on regarding this strategy, okay. So you just have to make this video more reach more and more people, so that more and more people can use this strategy, grow their accounts, and make money. As we support each other, we can grow as a community, and we can earn a lot of money just by utilizing this strategy. So if you got some value out of this video, if you like my content, then just press the like button, as well as feel free to comment down below and suggest any of the topics on which you want me to make videos, and I will definitely make videos on those topics. And we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.